In this video, I'm going to show you a pathway to learn machine learning in just 21 days. Welcome to my channel. I'm Arun Solomon here. Currently, the booming job is data science and data science related jobs. Maybe you have heard this in many tutorials you have followed. In this near future and present, there are many openings related to data science job. When I started learning data science related topics, it was a bit confusing for me as where to start. So in this video, I am going to show you a path to learn machine learning in just 21 days. This course is consolidated with all the concepts you need to know to be a machine learning expert. Telling more about this course, this is a free course. This contains video, blogs, exercise that you can try it out, project ideas, projects, and interview questions. The video in this course are taken from different YouTube channels and the blogs are from Medium and other tutorial websites. Also, I have given the official website link. The course content covers all the topics needed for a beginner or an expert to refresh their knowledge in machine learning, starting with the introduction and ending with the deployment of the project. To begin this course, first step is to make a mindset to spend at least 5 hours a day to learn machine learning. As you can see, the day-to-day topics and the links they are provided. The link of this course is given below in the description. So please go through it. If you like this video, please like and share this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Happy learning.